Hey guys, I'm Paul. I'm a process engineer here at AccuRounds. I'm just here to show you a quick activity. Alright, so here are some of the materials we need. You need a pair of scissors, pen, some straws, string, any string will do, a ruler, and then of course your cardboard. So we're going to start with tracing your hand. Place your hand on the cardboard. What you want to do, we're not going to trace all the way around. All you want is the sides. Sides here, here, here. And it's just a rough outline. Doesn't need to be anything exact. So you're gonna get something like this. So this next step, we want to finish your wrist and the arm. So put your hand back on. I'm gonna finish drawing the bottom of your hand. And once you get roughly where they end, what we'll want to do, we're going to go a line 2 inches down each side. We're going to go out 1 inch, down 1 inch, and back. The other side. One extra step, we got to mark the knuckles of each of your fingers. So for each line, here, 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 one there. What you want to do, take a ruler, and down. Very last one, we should actually do down here, here, and your thumb. There you have it. Now we are at the stage of cutting out what we traced. There's several methods we can use. You can use an X-Acto blade, which is what I prefer, or you can use a pair of scissors. So to speed things up, I already have a piece that's been cut out, but you want to continue cutting the shape. Take as much time as you need in order to do so. Next step is actually bending the cardboard at each joint. Now we want to cut the wrist guard. Draw and cut the wrist guard. So roughly 10 inches long. Grab a ruler, 10, mark, and 1 inch thick. Again, for this step, you can use scissors or an X-Acto knife. Use a pair of scissors. So starting with one end, what we're going to do here, we're going to glue first crease, and then you're going to wrap all the way around, and then glue the other end, so that it'll fit your arm as a wrist guard. So I went ahead and I've glued the wrist. You can use a hot glue gun or just Elmer's glue, whatever you have available. And it should look something like this. And what you want is just for it to fit your hand, your wrist. Sorry. This step, what we want to do is we want to punch a hole near the thumb, roughly in this area. Again, you can use an X-Acto blade, you can use a pen, whatever you're comfortable using. All right, so now we're going to glue each piece. And what you're going to want to put them is between each indentation. And for the hole, you want to stick one of these straws through the hole. You want to glue around it just to fill it in. Dry, we're going to flip it around. What you're going to want to do, roughly in this area, you're going to do one, and there's going to be one more down here. Alright, and now for this section, we're going to use one of the 1 inch. We're going to glue here. Pull it till the knot is in place. We'll want to glue this knot here to hold it. and let it dry. So now that we let that dry, we want to feed it through the rest of the way. Going through. Here. Here. Go through here. Okay. Went ahead and did the same for the other fingers. So you glue each 1/4 inch and the 1 inch in place. Feed the string through. And what you want to do is tie a knot or a little loop at the end. So as we put our hands in, you want the loop to be around your finger. And that's where you tie the knot. Once you have all the loops done and you place them around your fingers, you can test each finger, make sure they move. And that is it.